Learn English to Hindi. See in past tense with
देखना,
welcome to the great seeing adventure. Hey, you are about to learn one tiny verb that sees absolutely everything, including your missing sock. Today you will master how to say see and saw in Hindi. Our star word is see, which in Hindi is
देखना,
think of a giant floating eyeball over a city trying to
देखना,
everything at once. Ridiculous? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. Now we move into the past, where everyone became a witness. I saw is.
मैंने देखा,
You saw is.
तुमने देखा,
He saw is.
उसने देखा,
She saw is also.
उसने देखा,
It saw, in simple learning context, is also.
उसने देखा,
We saw is.
हमने देखा,
You all saw is.
तुम सबने देखा,
They saw is.
उन्होंने देखा.
Your core word today. Let's make the base verb friendly and unforgettable before the past tense parade starts marching. See equals.
देखना,
Say it slowly.
देखना,
I want to see the stars. In Hindi.
मैं तारों को देखना चाहता हूँ.
To see clearly, I wear glasses. In Hindi.
साफ देखना के लिए मैं चश्मा पहनता हूँ.
It is nice to see old friends. In Hindi.
पुराने दोस्तों को देखना अच्छा लगता है.
Memory trick. Imagine a potato putting on glasses and shouting, now I can finally.
देखना,
Exclamation mark single quote. The past tense parade. Now the witnesses arrive one by one, all pointing dramatically like they are in a movie trailer. I saw equals.
मैंने देखा,
You saw equals.
तुमने देखा,
He saw equals.
उसने देखा,
She saw equals.
उसने देखा,
It saw equals.
उसने देखा,
We saw equals.
हमने देखा,
You all saw equals.
तुम सबने देखा,
They saw equals.
उन्होंने देखा.
Notice the pattern? Hindi is being helpful here. The word
देखा,
keeps showing up like that one actor who appears in every sequel. Mini story at the window. Listen to this silly little scene and catch all the forms as they fly past. One rainy evening, a child ran to the window because she wanted to.
देखना,
The storm. Suddenly she shouted,
मैंने देखा,
I saw a bright kite in the sky. Her brother yelled,
तुमने देखा,
You saw it? Their father looked outside and said,
उसने देखा,
Yes, he saw it too. Their mother laughed and said,
उसने देखा,
Yes, she saw it too. Even the family robot turned its square head and beeped.
उसने देखा.
Apparently, it saw it as well. Then the whole family crowded at the glass and shouted,
हमने देखा.
We saw it. The neighbors across the street joined in.
तुम सबने देखा.
You all saw it too? And by the end of the evening, the entire neighborhood agreed.
उन्होंने देखा.
They saw the mysterious flying kite. Speak after me drill. Your turn now. Repeat out loud, even if your cat judges your pronunciation. Especially if your cat judges it. See.
देखना.
I saw.
मैंने देखा.
You saw.
तुमने देखा.
He saw.
उसने देखा.
She saw.
उसने देखा.
It saw.
उसने देखा.
We saw.
हमने देखा.
You all saw.
तुम सबने देखा.
They saw.
उन्होंने देखा.
Funny dialogue practice. Let's make it weird enough to remember forever. That is science. Probably. A. Can you see the bird? B. Ham, mame use.
देखना.
Kahata hum. A. Did you notice the rainbow? B. Yes.
मैंने देखा.
A. Did your friend notice it? B. Yes.
तुमने देखा.
Works for you saw and.
उसने देखा.
Works for he saw or she saw. A. Who saw the last samosa disappear? B.
उन्होंने देखा.
But nobody is naming names. A. Did the whole group see the magician drop the rabbit? B. Yes.
तुम सबने देखा.
Also, the rabbit looked offended. Quick quiz time. No pressure. If you miss one, just pretend the question was wearing camouflage. What is the Hindi word for see? Answer.
देखना.
How do you say I saw? Answer.
मैंने देखा.
How do you say you saw? Answer.
तुमने देखा.
How do you say he saw or she saw? Answer.
उसने देखा.
How do you say we saw? Answer.
हमने देखा.
How do you say you all saw? Answer.
तुम सबने देखा.
How do you say they saw? Answer.
उन्होंने देखा.
Memory tricks that actually stick. Here are some fast memory hooks, because your brain likes drama more than grammar charts. 4.
देखना.
Imagine stepping onto a deck now to see the sea. Deck now.
देखना.
4.
मैंने देखा.
Think, my eye saw. 4.
तुमने देखा.
Think, Tom means you, and
देखा.
means saw. 4.
उसने देखा.
Imagine a detective whispering it after spotting the clue. 4.
हमने देखा.
Picture a whole group with giant binoculars. 4.
तुम सबने देखा.
Imagine a crowd in a cinema all gasping together. 4.
उन्होंने देखा.
Picture villagers on a hill all pointing at a comet. Friendly conclusion. You did it. You just learned how to see, and how everyone in the neighborhood saw, in Hindi. Today you practiced.
देखना. मैंने देखा. तुमने देखा. उसने देखा. हमने देखा. तुम सबने देखा.
And.
उन्होंने देखा.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and soon these forms will feel natural in both English and Hindi. Great job, and see you in the next lesson. Or, in the spirit of today, let's hope we all.
देखना.
It coming.